Hello, my name is Penelope, and I'm going to show you how to draw a Labubu. First, you're going to draw an oval. Then, you're going to draw two little eyebrows. So cute. You're gonna draw two little eyes. If it looks scary, we're gonna fix it soon. You're gonna draw two little eyes. Oops, that one was wrong. And then you're gonna draw two little, like all the smaller circles inside the eye. Same for the other one. And then you're gonna draw a little pointy bit and then round it. That was way too round. And then you're gonna round it off with a little curve. Now we're gonna draw a huge smile. So cute. That smile was a little lopsided. We're gonna make it a perfect smile. Make sure to add the teeth. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like we have exactly the right amount of teeth. You might want to make the eyes a little bigger. Like about this big. So, after you got your eyes a little bigger, if you needed them bigger, you're gonna draw, you can skip this part if you need to make your eyes bigger. Okay, now you're gonna draw some fuzz along the head. And then you're gonna draw two little ears. Then you're gonna draw two little ovals inside the ears like that. Now you're gonna add some fuzz along the ears like you did with the head. And then right here in between, we'll erase those. make sure every once in a while that you erase. You see how that little stuff comes off? Make sure to like dab it off like that. Now, you're gonna draw a little body. No need to just add a circle first because there's no belly, just the body. And next you're drawing a Makoko. Let's make that body a little bigger. Now, I'm not gonna draw fingers, but you can draw fingers if you want. I'm gonna draw two cute little hands. And then you add 3 little spikes on each side. Then you're going to take one side and extend it down and put it back up. Same for the other one. If one is bigger than the other, make sure to extend the other one that's smaller, or make the bigger one smaller. And then the big to energy Labubus, if you want to make one of those, they have little nail polish. So if you don't want one of those, you can skip the nail polish, but if you want to make one of those, you add the nail polish. It's almost time for coloring, but there's one more step. You'll draw the little keychain part if you want to. You can either draw the real words or just little scribbles for words. Then you're going to draw a circle. And then either draw a bigger circle outside or a smaller circle inside. Then I'm going to draw a little circle and then cross it in the middle. That's just for detail. And then you do a little jagged line there. And then a normal line again. That's how you draw Labubu, but there's one more part. It's coloring time! I'm gonna fast forward the color in 3, 2, 1. And that's how you draw Labubu. Thank you for watching